NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to add an old style VHS effect to your gaming videos. So if you're a PS4 player and want to learn how to make gaming videos using the free and easy Sharefactory app on the PS4, then this is the channel for you. So please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Okay, so we've got a subscriber shout out coming up, so before that let's get into the video. So we're going to try and do a VHS sort of old style video effect on like this. So we're going to go straight into how to do it. So we're going to use this clip here and show you how to do this effect. Now most people use this effect in montages for small clips and that, but you can do it for longer clips if you want to, but I'd suggest maybe a small montage where you get a good kill or something. So we're just going to use this as an example. So we're just going to go to the starting point and we're going to split the clip. So we want it to start here and we're going to split, and then we'll do exactly the same for where we want it to end, which is here. So we're going to split it right here, and then that will just create the clip that we're going to add the filter to. So what we want to do is on the clip we want to push the cross button and add filter, and then we're going to go down to VHS, which gives the sort of grainy video, old style video effect to it. Okay, and then what we can do is, if we want to, we can change the intensity of the effect. So what we do is go in onto the clip and then we just push the square button, and then we go to edit filter. Now you could delete it using the delete filter if you didn't want it anymore, but you can go to filter settings and you've got distortion, which changes up the judder of the video, and the static, which changes the intensity of the lines going across. So I'll show you more now. I'll start off loads of examples. This setting is using this clip using 0 distortion on it, but you'll see it is still a little bit more grainy. Then we go to 0.5 distortion, and this is just so you can use this as a reference. So rather than you playing about with it for ages, you can come back to this video when you're doing it and you can just look at the settings that I'm putting before each of these clips, and then that will give you an idea of what it's going to look like. So you see this is getting more and more juddery as we get onto that bit. Now we've put the distortion back to 0 and we're onto static, so you can see the lines going across the screen are a little bit more intense, and now we've got that up to 1. There you go, it's a lot more cloudy and the lines are going across there just the same as well. So that is different examples there. Now we've got half and half of each, and it's juddery and it's got the cloudy sort of lines going across as well, and then full 1 on each one, a lot more cloudy, a lot more juddery, and it gives you the option of looking at this and seeing which one fits best for how you want your video to look. Okay, so we're not finished yet. We still got another step to take to make it even better, but before we do that, subscriber shout out of the day goes to Freddy Gamer YT. Please do check out the channel, and if you like his content, please do consider subscribing. So thanks for all your support, Freddy Gamer YT. Okay, so the next step is to make that clip even better. We're going to use this example here. We're just going to add the VHS effect to it really quickly, but what we can do is add a sort of shaded effect around the corner as well. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you might have seen I've used this before. So we'll put the VHS effect in quickly, and then what we can do is go to use the cross button, and we want to sorry, we're just going to change that down a little bit. We'll go push the cross button and then we go to add layout. So add layout, and then we go down on the left hand side to vignette layouts, and then we go to time bender vignettes, and you see it gives that border around the outside like a shaded old effect style border. I think that's a nice finishing touch to the video. So I hope that has been useful to you, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. I've got so many videos coming up on Sharefactory and other YouTube related and PS4 related videos, so please do subscribe and turn on notifications. If you've got anyone else who uses Sharefactory, please do let them know and see if they think it may be of use joining the channel. And thanks very much for watching. Do check out all the other videos if you haven't seen the other videos. We've got so many Sharefactory related clips on here now, so thanks very much and bye.